guys, Ali here with ULS, and today we're having a tutorial on how to use Google Maps to generate your own website and claim your business on Google. We talk about claiming your business on Google because it helps you with the local SEO and overall digital marketing. Google is the main source you should be worried about, but not only Google, because if you would Google your name, you'd probably locate, I can almost guarantee you, if you're in business for quite a bit, your company in various directories and listings that you never added the company to, just because, again, some of these are landing pages of another directories and classifies you are at, not that popular. Some of them are just putting your name just because you are a business and publicly available, and they would want you to claim your listing with them. So these kind of searches have to be done randomly by you, and you should claim only the source that you believe your business needs to be at, based on various criteria, reputation of that source, and how good will that do for your SEO and for your searchability. And if you do not want to claim, then asking that source removing your listing, and most of them would comply. So again, today we're talking about Google Maps, and we talk about that multiple times. We have had some requests for businesses for us to have a tutorial on how to claim your business on Google. I kind of prepped some materials beforehand, so that's what you see on the screen. I'll enlarge those images whenever we talk about it. So first you need to add your business through Google Maps. Sign in to Google Maps, and you will see something like that. Search for your address, and then after you search for your address, you have to go right here and add your business if it's not already listed. If it's already listed, you can just claim it, which we'll talk about it later. So this is how it will look. You will search for your address, and then you click add your business. Next, what you will do is right click anywhere on the map and click add your business. Okay, so right here you have this screenshotted for you for your convenience. I will stay a little bit here, this way you can see it. So right here, add your business. Then on the left top menu, you can click the hamburger menu right here, and add your business through that menu. So there is various options here, so you can choose either or of them, and then follow the screen instructions to finishing up adding your business profile. So it will be like this. So you will add your business name and the rest of the required information, and then you will need to search for your business, and then you can claim it. That's if your business never was on Maps, or nobody added that to the Google. But if it was already in the Google, you just need to claim it so you can manage the information there. Okay, so if your business was already, you can skip these parts of adding it or adding your address on the map. But if your business was already there, you can just Google your business and then select the right one. Make sure you select the correct one, and then you can click on the claim my business right here on. So you need to select from one of these options, so just edit or own this business. So you click own the business, and then you can click manage now, which will allow you to manage the information about your business. Okay, and then you can go ahead and sign in for your business profile, and you can go to the website option. It's right here, and you can publish your own website, but not before you are actually making it look appropriate. You can also unpublish it if it's already published and make your edits. Okay, so to unpublish, again, you can make updates from here. Okay, from the gear icon, you can update. You can assign it to a custom domain. You can unpublish it if you want, or whenever you want. Okay, so this is in short how do you claim your business, how do you put your business on the map, how do you claim the business, and how do you publish your website from the Google Maps. Okay. Again, if you do not have resources on building your own custom website, or you don't have the time, this is the fastest way to put your business on the maps. There is various questions that the majority of you have, especially the ones that do not really do much in the digital marketing. Whether that's essential for you to be found. Again, it's not essential, but it's probably recommended just because Google is the biggest search engine, so you would want to be on the Google Maps. Some personal experiences, recommendations if your business is out of your house and you really don't need visitors to your house, if it's not something that you would want to have people coming and knocking into your door, then do not add that location to the maps, just for the safety of your own family and yourself. Also, if you are out of business, remove it from the maps. Another question that many of you have is like, is that true that the bots will never visit your website just because you are not in the Google Maps or not in the Google directory? That's not true. Those things go parallel. One enhances another, but that's not something that Google would not crawl your website just because you are not on the maps or not on, or you don't own a website through Google. Again, those are some things that I have heard as questions. If you have any other wonders, you can go ahead and go to our website, usalinkssystem.com, and message us through the website with any additional questions, or you can comment in the post where you located this tutorial. If you need help in putting your your website on Google Maps, or creating a Google website, or creating a custom website, or with SEO, you can always contact us and we will give you a consultation in relation to that. Or you can go to our website and packages and see how much that will cost for you to have as a service from USLink System. Again, this was Alice Pino with USLink System. We are a digital marketing located here in the area of Los Angeles, and we are supporting small and medium-sized enterprises and entrepreneurs in their digital marketing initiative. Thank you.